Oh, hello, hello. That's a go around. He's aborted landing. He's going around, mate. Okay, we're going to listen, see what happens. I don't know what you say, TC. Good mission control from Air JFK. This is Korea 5170. This is Korea JFK Tower. I do apologise for the wind shear alert, but we're going to make an approach onto runway 10. No problem. I do apologise once again. And thank you very much for choosing with us. No problem. Great 5175. No, we do apologise once again for the wind shear alert. The reason was it was due to a wind shear problem. Wind shear problem, apparently. Green Air. This is. Hello, Jacob. This is Green Air 517. We are going to be approaching runway 10. No problem, runway 10. You'll probably will be clear to land there very shortly. No problem. Thank you very much, Jacob. Green Air 517. Okay, guys, so that was a wind shear alert. Wow, never seen a go around first put off of that. Okay, let's head on over. What time is he due out? Well, we can grab the Korean Air and then... Oh, my flight don't leave until 10 o'clock. Thank God. So we'll get a few departures, get this Korean Air going out. He's due to go out at 19. Yeah. Right then, folks. Let's head on over to departures. We will see you shortly. And, yeah, thank you very much. Take care. Have a good one. See you later.